I'm going to teach you how to make your first 5 figures in South African Rand money. That is my currency, or that is $5,100. Using your phone with an internet connection and having 2 hours a day. Working from the comfort of your own home, basically doing it with no stock, no employees, no staff, no overheads, no inventory, no drop shipping. No following is needed, no tech skills are needed, only using digital products. Let's go. The first one I'm going to talk to you guys about is owning a $300 program. This program can be marketed globally. Anybody can purchase this $300 program, and you'll be able to have different streams of income as well as earning 100% profit off of each and every sale. This is where I started my journey back in December of 2023. So let me do the maths and we can actually go through it together so you understand step by step. All right, so we are going to look at how you can make your first 5 figures as a South African using or having a $300 program. I am a South African, so there you can actually see that $1 is 18 Rand and 43 cents. So we're going to type it in over there. $300 is 5,527 Rand. So that equates to, let's round it off and make it 5,500. 5,500. 94,000 Rand. Okay. 94,000 Rand equals, $5,100. In order to make $5,100, you're going to go 5,100, divide that by your $300 program. That equals 217, meaning that you'll have to sell the $300 program 17 times. So we're going to say 17 times $300, 17 times by 300 equals 5,100, which is $5,100. So based on this exchange rate, we are going to enter there. $5,100 equals roughly 93,000. There we go. There is your first 5 figures as a South African. 968.51. That is why I'm teaching people all over the world to make money online, to spend more time with your loved ones, and to make each and every moment last. So it really doesn't matter which country you're in. For me, I'm a South African. That is why I did it using the South African exchange rate. And that is why it was so lucrative and so exciting for me to know how to make money online, where I don't have to go to America to actually make an income. Back in December of 2023, I actually started with that exact same product, and that made me 5 figures in South African Rand money. Me starting with a $300 business, which cost me 5,500 Rand once off. I took that business and I was able to resell that business 17 times to other businesses, educational businesses, people that want to learn how to start an online business. Like I said, that is where I started off with the $300 program. It is available to purchase on my website if you are looking for the $300 program to start today. That business is looked for, searched for globally, right around the world. If you are looking to start today on the $300 program, drop yes in the comments and it will be my absolute pleasure to share all the information with you.